now?
Yeah.
I'm recording now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
So I mean, like, you can just cut this section out.
That's fine. Here we have GoPro 9 Black, brand new, bought on the Boxing Day sale, and I guess this is the best one that GoPro has launched so far. And we're gonna open the GoPro 9 now and see what's in the box. Apparently, there is the camera, a rechargeable battery. Apparently, there is a mount in there that is curved adhesive and a mounting buckle, USB-C charger, and a thumb screw and camera case. So let's open it up and see what's in there. So I can see that they have given a case with it, which is super cool. And we're gonna put the box on side for now. The wrapping on side. And here we have our little box with everything. There is, I think these are the manuals and the instructions how you can use your product. And you can obviously subscribe to GoPro, probably for their newsletters and stuff. And this gives you the basic information, step by step, how you can set up your GoPro. And if you have questions, I can see there is a little booklet then that you can read through, and that would probably answer most of your questions. But other than that, there are probably the website that you can visit is gopro.com, and that will give you more information. So here we have the battery. Battery is apparently 1720 mAh, which seems strong for now, but I guess you can always have an external add-on battery with that if you are into lots of recording. Over here is our actual camera, and yeah, they have wrapped it nicely so that you can't put any scratches on it. I'll just take it out on the side. Nice, that looks pretty cool. The actual size is really small. You can carry it and you can pack it in your backpack or wherever you're traveling. Would be easy for traveling and carrying it around. Size is probably the same as its previous versions, and that's a pretty big screen, and then you have another screen on front, and the lens is I can see the lens is pretty wide. Apparently this is much wider than all of the older ones so far. Yes. What else they have? Yeah. What else they have given is this thing. And so there is this curved adhesive, so you can glue it to anything, and I guess I have to work it out. So just like that. At least I would say something is better than nothing. They have given you some accessories with it, but you can always buy some knockoff accessories or even the branded ones, which I guess I'm going to do. And then you can, how do you mount it? That's funny. Okay, I think that's without reading the instructions, though it's always a little bit tricky if you're trying to do it without instructions. Don't even know if I can use that one. think I might have to read the instructions really quickly. Oh, the good thing is it's actually inside the cover. It's inside the case. Okay, so the first step is you need to download the app. Second one is you open it from here. And that's your battery casing. Where is our battery? Oh, here. And I'm wondering where is our we can pause the video later. The battery looks like small. Does it look small?
Yeah, no, it is kind of small. They've got like 700 and something mAh is like probably a third of what your phone would have, like a small phone battery.
Alright.
So it's actually not very big at all.
Yeah. I must have read it wrong anyway. Yeah. There is. Beta, wait, please नीचे रखो उसको. Thank you. And then
Hey, Ishvi, we're recording a video.
issue, please. So here we have the USB-C, obviously for charging, and this mount. Obviously, was able to figure it out with the help of my friend. Goes in there like this, and then you can just screw it like this. And if you want to glue it somewhere, like on the windscreen, you can just take the little plastic film off and you can do that, but you'll probably not want it as permanent. But here is our GoPro. But if you were to talk about the features, there is 20 megapixel camera on it, which is pretty good, I would say, for such a small little thing. And it is capable of recording in 4K as well as 5K. The only thing with 5K though would be your battery life won't be as strong. You might have to have an extra battery backup. You can buy a pack that comes with charger, dual charger that can charge both of the batteries at the same time, and that comes with an additional battery. Also, the other cool feature about this one is it has got up to 10 meters or 33 feet of waterproofing. So if you are someone who does lots of surfing and stuff, this is probably the best one in the market. Again, the HyperSmooth 3.0 is probably the best so far, much better than its previous ancestors. And with this you have the slow motion that has got 8 settings, so you can super slow it down. Also you have 1080 live streaming option from this one, and a voice control feature. Yes, Iswe, can you go and talk to me?
Yes, but when are you?
Yeah, she is really tempted to take some photos with it, so she has been asking me when am I going to take some photos and record a video on this one.
क्या बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं या नहीं?
Yeah, बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं,
क्योंकि छोटा है.
And so with this one, the other cool feature is super photo plus HDR, so that means the photos would be much clearer and they would be high definition anyway. Other thing that I like about this one is you can wake it up with your voice control, similar to Google and Amazon Alexa. And I guess that's pretty much about it. I'm going to read the manual and I'll turn it on now anyway.
Mama, keep doing this.
So I can see it looks pretty cool and the video seems really clear. So we'll bring the camera a little bit closer to the phone now. So the first thing we can do is we can select what language we want to. So there are multiple language options. One thing I like is the touch screen.
If you move it over a little bit, like it's reflecting the window from.
Oh, okay. So the cool thing about this one again is
I should probably actually move. My bad.
yeah, you can. This is touch screen and you can choose the language. So we want to stick to English, and then obviously you have to agree to the terms. Capture the location where the video and the photos are taken. So it's up to you. You can have it on and off. Obviously that's with the leverage of GPS, so I can probably turn it off for now. So I'm going to install the GoPro app on my phone. So I'll do that now.